This video suggests the main cause of losing an erection in midway and 10 foods that cause impotence.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
Herbs have been used since ancient times successfully to improve the quality of erection. These herbs are available in the form of herbal products today. You will get relief from erectile dysfunction and bad erections with the help of natural supplements. Main cause of erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is a condition that is referred to as the occurrence of weak, insufficiently stiff or slow erections. Men get an erection because of hydraulic blood effect. The body rushes blood in large volume towards the genital region of men on arousal. This blood is absorbed by the tissues of the penile shaft and they become bigger in size and stiff. This leads to an erection. These tissues get stiffer and bigger when they absorb more blood, and men get powerful and stronger erections due to this. Losing an erection midway. Men suffering from erectile dysfunction or bad erections either suffer from a reduced supply of blood on arousal, decreased sensation in the genital area, poor penile tissue health, or weak tissues which cannot hold blood for sufficient time. Foods that cause impotence. You should also try to stay away from certain foods that cause impotence. All processed foods, fried, fast foods, beef and chicken, dairy products, ice cream, sugary foods, sodium, frozen foods, and canned foods. Bonus tip. If you also suffer from these problems, you can use Bluze Capsules, the best herbal pills to improve erectile dysfunction regularly. Bluze capsules improve erectile dysfunction, elevate the production of testosterone hormone naturally and safely. Because of increased production of this hormone, men get the stronger reproductive system. Amazing benefits of Bluze capsules. The herbs included in these supplements promote blood flow to the male genital area. Increased flow of blood offer nourishment and more oxygen to cells of the genital area. Increased oxygenation and nourishment helps cells to reproduce at a higher rate. Increased reproduction of cells provides strength to weak tissues and repair the tissues that are damaged. So, with Bluze capsules, you can completely forget about erectile dysfunction and bad erections and surprise your partner with a bigger and harder erection. Men also suffer from this problem because of a lack of sexual arousal or desire. Bluze capsules can overcome these issues as well effectively. These supplements stimulate and energize nerves of the genital area, which offer increases sensation. Men with the highest sensation get quick and intense arousal and have higher libido as well. Such men get an increase in the blood flow to their genital area and get strong and quick erections. You can get these advantages after using Bluze capsules and enjoy your intimate time with your partner. World's finest erection enhancer pills.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Bluze capsules at naturogain.com. The product link is given in the video description.
Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.